Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is German A1 level series, and in this video we're gonna talk about conjugation of zijn. And zijn means to be. What is mean by to be? So when we say in English I, you, are, etc., so these are in to be, right? And what is mean by this? That's mean personal pronoun and verb, right? So according to that, we discuss in this video personal pronoun and their verbs. According to personal pronoun, we use in English, and definitely we use according to German, and in as well as we use verb in German and in English, right? So the first personal pronoun, that is I, and in German we said ich, ich, right? And with I we use am, I am in English, and am in German bin, bin, bin. According to that, I am in English, and there, and if we say in German we said ich bin. Okay, so the next pronoun is you, and you in German du, du, and this is an informal singular, means this you means, and this du is used for informal singular, right? And with you we use are. In English you are, we use are in English, and in German we said bist, bist, right? And if we say you are in English, in German we said du bist. But remember that this du is used for informal singular, right? I hope you understand. So the next personal pronouns are he, she, it. Remember that these three words are pronounced that he in German is er, er. He in German is er. She in German is sie, sie, and s pronounced as z in German if we use any type of vowel letter with it, and definitely we say z, sie pronounced as z, and in English we said she for feminine. Okay, and now it in German s, right? Okay, so according that with he, she, it we use is, and in German is, are, ist, ist. In English we use is, and in German if we say is, that's mean ist, ist, right? So the proper sentence, if we use he is, she is, er is, we said er ist, sie ist, es ist. I hope you understand. All the sentences and all the words, all the personal pronouns, all the verbs are shown on the screen. That can help you very much. Okay, the next word is we. We in English, and in German we said wir, 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 and we said we are. In German, there are different meanings of different words if we use in English and if we use in German, and we use we are, and that's time if we use are with we, like with wir in German if we say, and then we said sind for are, right? Means are in German sind. That's mean that the spelling of this word is sind, and as pronounced as z because we use with the vowel letter, and definitely we said sind with starting with z, right? Okay, so if we say properly, we are in English, and in German we said wir sind. Okay, so the next personal pronoun is you. You I can already discuss, but there are different ways to discuss you. In previous words, you are used as an informal singular, but in that case we use informal plural. We used you as informal plural, like, okay, so focus on this point. We use you as informal plural, and at that time you in German are said here, here, and according that we said are, seid. The spelling of this word is seid, right? Seid. id, but in German we said Zeit. That what is the reason of that word? Because S pronounced as Z due to we use vowel letter with it. I hope you understand. So if we said properly this word, this alphabet, this personal pronoun and verb, we said you are with informal plural in this by informal plural way. In German we said hier seid, here seid. Okay, so the next personal pronoun is also you, but this time you can pronounce as Z. The spelling of this word is S-I-E, S with uppercase letter Z, and due to definitely S pronounces Z because of vowel letter with it, that is Z, and R and there are pronounced as Zind, right? And this is an plural, this is an formal way, not plural, not informal. This is a formal way to pronounce you are in English. Z, Zind, Z, Zind. Sometimes we use small with small letter of S, Z used for they, but don't focus on that point. Just I can give you a little bit knowledge for understanding the word they, that can talk in later videos. Okay, so I hope you understand all the words, all the verbs and personal pronoun. Please like, subscribe and share, and if you have any type of question related to this video, please comment me in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you want. And thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.